Exercise 11.4. Question number 1. Select a suitable identity and find the following products. First one, 3k plus 4l into 3k plus 4l. So here let 3k equal to a here and 4l equal to b here. So now it will be a plus b into a plus b here. So we know a plus b into a plus b, it is a square plus 2ab plus b square here. So what is a here? 3k. That means 3k whole square plus 2 into 3k. B is 4l plus b is 4l whole square here. So 3k square will be 9k square plus 234, which will be 24kl plus 16l square here. Next second, ax square plus by square into ax square plus by square. So let ax square equal to a, by square equal to b here. So it will be a plus b into a plus b. So it is a square into a square plus b square plus 2ab here. Now what is a here? Ax square. So we are going to input ax square here plus 2 into a plus b plus b square here. So ax square whole square will be a square x to the power of 4 plus 2 ab x square y square plus here b square y to the power of 4 here. Third, 7d minus 9e, 7d minus 9e. So let a equal to 7d and b equal to 9e here. So it is like a minus b into a minus b here. So that will be a square minus 2ab plus b square here. Now substitute the values here. So 7d whole square minus 2 7d into 9e plus 9e whole square here. 7d whole square, which is 49 d square minus 279, that will be 126 de plus 81 e square here. Next fourth one, m square minus n square, m square plus n square. So let a equal to m square and b equal to n square here. So it will be like a minus b into a plus b here. So we know a minus b into a plus b, it is a square minus b square. So now substitute the values. So it will be m square whole square minus n square whole square here. So m square to the power of square will be m to the power of 4 minus n to the power of 4 here. Next fifth one, 3t plus 9z, 3t minus 9z. So let a equal to 3t and b equal to 9z here. 9s here. here S. So now it will be A plus B into A minus B here. So that equal to A square minus B square here. So input the values 3t whole square minus 9s whole square. So 3t whole square will be 9t square minus 81s square here. Next sixth one, KL minus Mn, KL plus Mn. So let KL equal to A and Mn equal to B here. So now it will be A minus B into A plus B here. So we know A minus B into A plus B, it is A square minus B square. Now input the values which will be KL whole square minus Mn whole square. So that will be K square L square minus M square N square here. Next seventh, 6x plus 5 into 6x plus 6. So here let A equal to 6x, B equal to 5 and C equal to 6 here. So it will be A plus B into A plus C here. So A plus B into A plus C, it will be A square plus AC plus AB plus BC. So when you take common, it will be A square plus A common, B plus C plus BC here. Input the value A, which is 6x square plus 6x into 5 plus 6 plus 5 into 6 here. So that will be 6 square, which will be 36x square plus here 11 into 6, which will be 66x plus 6 into 5, which will be 30 here. Next eighth one, 2b minus a, 2b plus c. So here let here x equal to 2b, y equal to a and z equal to c here. So now our equation will be x minus y into x plus z here. So that will be x square plus xz minus xy minus yz here. So that equal to x square plus x into z minus y minus yz here. So input the values, we get 2b whole square plus 2b into c minus a minus ac here. So that equal to here 4b square plus 2bc minus here 2ab minus ac here. Question number 2. Evaluate the following by using suitable identity. First one, 304 square. So 304 can be written as 300 plus 4 whole square here. So let A equal to 300, B equal to 4 here. So then it will be A plus B whole square. So we know A plus B whole square, A square plus 2AB plus B square it is. Now input the values. 300 square plus 2 into 300 into 4 plus 4 square here. So 300 square is 90,000 plus 2, 3, 4, 24, 100 plus here 16. So when you add this, it will be 292,416 here. Second, 509 square. So 509 can be written as 500 plus 9 whole square. So it is like a plus b whole square. So here 500 square plus 9 square plus 2 into 500 into 9 here. So 500 square will be 25,000,000 plus 9 square 81 plus here 9,000. So when you add this, we get 259081 here. Third, 992 whole square. So 992 whole square. 992 can be written as 1000 minus 8 whole square. So it is like a minus b whole square. So a minus b whole square means a square plus b square minus 2ab. That means 1000 square minus 2 into a b plus here b square. So 1000 square means here 3 zeros minus here 16 000 plus 64. So that will be here 984064 here. Next fourth, 799 whole square. So 799 whole square can be written as 800 minus 1 whole square. So it is like a minus b whole square. So we know a square minus 2ab plus b square. So a square means here a 800 plus b square 1 minus 2 into 800 into 1 here. So that will be here 8 square means 64,000,000 here plus 1 here minus 1600. So when you are going to minus, it will be 638,401 here. Now fifth, 304 into 294 here. So 304 can be written as 300 plus 4 here, and 296 can be written as 300 minus 4 here. So let here a equal to 300, b equal to 4. So we get a minus b into a plus b. So that equal to a square minus b square here. So when you are going to input this, we get 300 square minus 4 square. So 300 square means 9,000,000 minus 16. So that will be 89984 here. Next sixth one, 109 plus 108. 109 can be written as 100 plus 9 here, and 108 can be written as 100 plus 8 here. So we know formula x plus a into x plus b equal to x square plus a plus bx plus ab here. So here let x equal to 100, a equal to 9 and b equal to 8 here. So input in this formula. So x square means 100 square plus 100 into a plus b 9 plus 8 plus ab, that means 9 into 8. 100 square 100, 00 plus 9 plus 8 17 into 100 1700. Here 9 into 8 72. So that will be 11772 here. Next 204 into 206. So 204 can be written as 200 plus 4 and 206 can be written as 200 plus 6. So now it is in the form of a plus a, x plus a, x plus b. So that will be x square plus a plus b, x plus ab here. So let here x equal to 200, a equal to 4, b equal to 6 here. So input in the formula we get 200 square plus 200 into 4 plus 6 plus AB, which is 4 into 6. 200 square 4 0000 plus 4 into 6 10, 10 into 200, it will be 2000 plus 4 into 6 24. So when you add this 4 2 0 2 4,